You and I are doing this workshop on January 23rd, 4 o'clock, called Connect, Serve, and Ask, Crack the Code to Modern Sales Strategies That Work. Won't you tell us a little bit of an overview of what maybe our participants could expect?
You have been able to effectively build strategies to help people network, and I have been able to effectively help a lot of people build their network and start creating content that ultimately helps people close sales.
Bring us into the room.
I want to start off by teaching people how to capture attention. The second piece is all about how to give value so that other people can learn from your experiences. The third part is, now that you've earned the right to ask, how do you do it in a way that doesn't make you feel like a sleazy used car salesman? Give me a rundown of what you're going to go through and why people should show up.
We want the people who want transformation in their lives. They want something bigger, better for their own outcomes in their professional business lives. In the Connect stovepipe, I'm going to drop some real dimes of information that they can integrate into their communication that they're delivering when they're connecting with someone else. Second is serve. Most people don't know why they're serving other people. They just think like, well, I'm an altruist or whatever, so I like to help other people. Legit understanding why you would be serving someone else strategically, I'm going to drop some dimes on that. And third is ask. There are always 3 asks that exist inside of a Connect, Serve, and Ask appointment. Most people got 1 ask down. They definitely don't have 3.
Over the last 12 months on LinkedIn, I've generated over $300,000 for my one-person business because I know how to do these strategies and I know how to get people's attention. I know how to build that trust and credibility and familiarity, and I know how to turn that hard work that we put in creating content into money in your pocket. That should be enough of a reason. Come on in.